శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Uddhava is remembering so many divine miraculous activities of Sri Krishna Paramatma and sharing with Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Sarvantaryami Sri Krishna Paramatma lived in Nandavraja, lived along with Vrajavasa, those citizens of Nandavraja. While living there, Krishna Paramatma used to smile once, used to cry once, Rudan Nivahasan, and sometimes Sri Ramani Mano Vibhundu Simha Kisorum Boli. All of his hair, he used to lose his lot of hair. And Mugdha Bala Simhavalokanaha, he used to shake his hair just like a small lion. And like that, while going here and there, while wandering here and there, while smiling, while looking at all other people, he used to show all of his childhood beautiful activities to all those people there in Nandavraj, and he used to let them enjoy that. He used to make them feel so happy. Gopa Jana Sanghamulan Mudamanda Cheyuchun, he used to give them so much of happy. O Vidura, all the cows which are there in Nandavraja also very beautiful. Krishna Paramatma Sayeva Godhanam Lakshmyaniketam Charayan, while taking care of those cows, while feeding those cows, he used to do his Murali Ganam. With that singing of his divine flute, he used to have all his cows enjoy. Krishna Paramatma is a source of all sort of wealth, all kind of riches. Such Sri Krishna Paramatma Ranat Venuhu Ari Ramat, with his Venuganam, he used to give happiness to not only the people of Nandavraj but also to all the cows. O Vidura, then what happened is, Kamsa, he sent so many Rakshasas to kill Krishna. Sekatasura, Dhenukasura, Arishtasura, and so many demons came to kill Krishna. But what Krishna did is, as and how small children, while playing here and there, they break the toys. That is how Sri Krishna Paramatma also Vyanudat Tan Bala Kridanakan Iva. Krishna Paramatma killed all those demons just like his play and just like he breaks the toys. That is how he killed all those demons. Like this, Uddhava sharing all divine memories of Sri Krishna Paramatma with Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.